Hello everyone, this is Cecilia from China Vsmile. Today we are in our mini machine factory, and this is our new metal mini machine is C512D. It's very beautiful in the market.
And the spindle speeds up to 60,000 revolutions per minute. Super spindle power 1.8 kilowatt, very high efficiency. Clamp replacement is done with one click. Ionizer wind to prevent PMMA from sticking to the burrs. Remote viewing of milling status by HD camera. Provide technical services and training.
If you have any questions, you can contact us. We will show you more details for you.